Ka Meghalaya Swimming Association hakani ka kinti ka baminta kalapha sangut ki khinna na ka jila kiba kinthop ya arngut ki khinna kinthai balai ngut ki khinna shinrang kiban lek yeshim binta hak jinge kop jingi kaban long hak alpusan terik minta ubnai hak jila Odisha kabla tip ka senior 78 National Aquatic Championship arja alpusan hab Bhubaneswar Odisha kini ki khinna kinmi lasha na nongba shillong banlet cha Odisha ikini ki khna sangut kide ki blasha jit hadien makila job na kani ka jila hak jingyo ban kren bat unong yalam ka association uba yan lingdo uloong makini ki khna ki banle yeshim benta hak national kinle hala ki jonki style bat ka association ka khmi limti bakini ki khna kinwan ra na me ka jila
Kaketeng cuma di Sumar Biang Maulong na dena light motion kasino kai cuma mentang asa jit hakan ni bangan lik sebentar ya ka naga state sebentar hakan ni ka national game kebanlong ha Odisha adu aku atlet adu aku drutrik ya keban ko ya soban ayu yu play bola do rangkat bat ni banyak benong ko banyak ban aku play ya MSA bakala jit engi kumki atlet Sunward bangin lik sebentar ban represent the state right ngaru ban sebentar kan ya sim ya ka 50 meter breaststroke but ya ka 100 meter freestyle jadi kemudian syuk kesian keban kau yang ban kai national dari kesian ba pat kesian besar pat ban represent the state ngakerman ba wala dang job ni ngaram nilai but I'll give my best
ini gi kena balik mentah ikun kop ya langut ki simrang argut bintai ya ka senior 78 National Aquatic Championship kebanlong po Bhubaneswar Odisha begini berok gi ba job apa event lajong events lajong Kumantau Cleric is a breaststroke champion. Sean is a champion in butterfly stroke. Sumar Biang she was one of the best athletes. Nazreen di belong Thamai, that's from class 10, but she has performed extremely well. In about 3 to 4 gold medals apa category juki. Tikini anahat di backstroke specialist tu lah daya cakap. Kini ki athletes bangi la jet lupa mentah ke national games. Buka belong ha arajar arpunyo ni po Meghalaya. Tinggi la penkret lupa kini ladu mentah. In fact ladu ba yo hi ya kata ka iu mo ya kata ka the bid for the national games. Te kini in train yaki in expose yaki in national championship, regional championship. Begini ingin mempunyai isu pinlong as a team, as a group, as a athletes in yo ya kata ka training ke berjanai but ni kerman bah kini hi genwan ra ya kata ka nam ya state.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live stream and dreams. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya, your story starts here.